What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best laptops for psychology students. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these laptops, you can check out the links in the description. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. First up on our list is the Dell XPS 13. This sleek and compact laptop is perfect for students on the go. Its 13.4-inch Infinity Edge touchscreen display delivers stunning visuals, ideal for reading psychology textbooks or viewing diagrams. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry across campus, and the premium build ensures durability. Powered by an Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB of RAM, the XPS 13 handles multitasking effortlessly, from research and writing to video conferencing with classmates. In addition to its performance, the XPS 13 offers long battery life, ensuring you can work uninterrupted during long study sessions. The integrated storage of 512 GB SSD ensures fast access to files and plenty of space for your assignments and resources. With a responsive keyboard and a precision touchpad, this laptop enhances your productivity, making it a reliable companion for psychology students. What sets the Dell XPS 13 apart is its emphasis on connectivity and premium features. With Thunderbolt 3 ports, you can connect to external monitors or accessories seamlessly. Its modern design and robust performance make it a top contender for students aiming to excel in their academic endeavors. Second up on our list is the LG Gram 16. If you value portability and screen real estate, the LG Gram 16 is a fantastic choice. Weighing under 3 pounds, it combines lightweight design with a large 16-inch WQXGA display, perfect for reading dense psychological research papers or taking notes during lectures. The display also supports vibrant colors and sharp details, enhancing your learning experience. Under the hood, the LG Gram 16 is powered by an Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance for multitasking and running demanding applications. The 1 TB SSD provides abundant storage for your documents, projects, and media files, all while ensuring quick data access. Its battery life is another standout feature, making it ideal for all-day use without needing an outlet. The LG Gram 16 also includes modern features like Thunderbolt 4 ports and a backlit keyboard for late-night study sessions. Its durable magnesium alloy build ensures it can withstand the rigors of student life, making it a practical and stylish option for psychology students. Third up on our list is the Apple MacBook M3 Pro. Apple's latest MacBook M3 Pro is a powerhouse for students seeking exceptional performance and design. Its 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display delivers stunning visuals with extreme clarity and color accuracy, perfect for analyzing brain imaging or visual aids. The M3 Pro chip ensures blazing fast performance for multitasking, app handling, and creative projects like presentations or video editing. With up to 18 hours of battery life, the MacBook M3 Pro ensures you can focus on your studies without worrying about charging. The 512 GB SSD offers ultra-fast storage, ensuring quick access to all your academic resources. The MacBook is also known for its quiet operation, thanks to its fanless design, creating an uninterrupted learning environment. The macOS ecosystem provides access to exclusive apps for note-taking and organization, ideal for psychology students managing heavy course loads. Paired with its premium build quality and lightweight design, the MacBook M3 Pro is an investment in both performance and style. Fourth up on our list is the Lenovo V15. The Lenovo V15 is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on performance. Equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB of RAM, this laptop offers smooth multitasking for academic tasks like researching, writing, and online collaboration. The 15.6-inch Full HD display provides a comfortable viewing experience for long study sessions. The 512 GB SSD offers ample storage space and fast performance, ensuring you can save and access your files with ease. Its durable chassis and military-grade durability make it a reliable choice for students who need a rugged laptop for daily use. Despite its robust build, it remains lightweight enough to carry to lectures or libraries without hassle. Lenovo has also equipped the V15 with a responsive keyboard, which is great for typing extensive essays or creating detailed study notes. Its blend of affordability and functionality makes it an excellent pick for psychology students on a budget. Fifth up on our list is the ASUS Vivobook 16. The ASUS Vivobook 16 strikes a balance between performance and affordability. Featuring a 16-inch WXGA display, this laptop offers ample screen space for multitasking or analyzing complex charts. Its anti-glare coating ensures comfortable viewing, even in brightly lit environments. Powered by an Intel Core EEVIM processor and 16 GB of RAM, the Vivobook handles academic workloads with ease, whether it's data analysis or running statistical software. The 1 TB SSD provides more than enough space for your academic files, ensuring your laptop stays fast and responsive. Additionally, its slim and modern design adds a touch of professionalism. The ASUS Vivobook 16 includes useful features such as Wi-Fi 6 connectivity for fast and stable internet access and a backlit keyboard for late-night study sessions. It's a practical choice for psychology students who need a reliable laptop for diverse academic tasks. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.